Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chylia if you are brand spanking new here. Hope you guys are so excited to see what I'm bringing for you guys today. I'm not doing a full tutorial today. This video is going to be a little bit shorter, a little bit sweeter, a little bit cuter, you know, because today we're focusing on two things. One is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and the other one is the added shades by the amazing Jackie Aina, who is another YouTuber right here on the tube. Let's show some respect and go ahead and sing her song. Ready? Jackie, 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 Jackie. Okay, I got hype. Whoa. Okay, wig almost flew off. Wig almost, you know. We had to really go in for her because that's, you know, Aunt Jackie. Anyway. Okay, I'm done. Anyway, if you guys don't know, Too Faced collaborated with Jackie Aina to come up with some more shades for their Born This Way foundation. It is an incredibly popular foundation, and many people in the medium to dark shade range were not able to get shades for themselves. So Jackie went ahead and collaborated with them and added 9 shades to their collection. And then on top of that, Too Faced dropped a brand new concealer this week. And so here we go. That's everything. That's what we're doing. That's what we're talking about today. I'm going to show you guys how I feel about it. I'm going to put it on with you guys, both the foundation and the concealer. And basically this is what I came up with at the end of the video. So I hope you guys want to stay tuned and watch this with me. Or not watch it with me, but watch me do this. Anyway, before I jump into this video, I'm going to ask you guys to do me a small favor, and that one favor is pretty quick. Scroll down, find the giant red button, and subscribe to my channel. Pretty please. I don't want you guys to miss a single thing that I post on here, so also make sure you guys click the bell so you guys get notified as soon as I upload something brand spanking new. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it, and of course, leave me a comment down below. Tell me how you feel. Let me know if you want to buy this foundation. Let me know if you guys want to see more things like this. Let me know if you want me to get more things and try more things that you guys are a little bit skeptical about trying yourselves. I'm happy to be the guinea pig. Okay? So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Okay, so I did my eyes off camera, obviously, because that is not the focus of today's video. Today, like I stated a second ago, we are going to be focusing on the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and of course we could not miss the concealers, as these are brand spanking new as well. So I was finally able to get a color from this foundation. If you guys don't know already, like I said in the beginning, which so now you should know, so I don't even know why I'm repeating this, but I'm gonna do it anyway in case you skipped the intro. You know I got you. A fellow YouTuber, or an amazing YouTuber. I'm not even sure I'm able to call her a fellow yet because I'm still very new in this game. But the very well-known YouTuber Jackie Aina collaborated with Too Faced. They contacted her to help them extend their shade ranges. And I was actually never able to get a shade with this foundation just because I couldn't get a color. And a lot of times I'm actually okay with that, believe it or not. Well, not that I'm okay with it, but like I can understand every now and then being in between a couple shades. So I usually buy 2. However, with this collection, the 2 shades that were closest to my shade just still didn't work for me. And so Jackie Aina went out and created this, which is amazing. I was super excited, and then it was like perfect because the concealers came out just in time. Obviously, they probably did that on purpose, but I don't know. I don't work with Too Faced. So I haven't even prepped and primed my skin at all, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And today I'm using the Ole Henriksen, why did I just forget the name? Counterbalance Oil Control Hydrator. Wow, okay. So I like to just take this right into the palm of my hand. I give it a couple pumps. Go ahead. Oh, got it. If you saw my previous video, you heard me state how much I love Ole Henriksen. I think his products have done wonders for my skin. Obviously, I still have a lot of marks, some hyperpigmentation, but I don't really break out anymore, so I am really glad about that. So if you haven't tried this moisturizer, I highly recommend it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take something that's also fairly new to my collection. I used it for the first time yesterday. Loved it. Came home from work and was like, damn, I look good. You know, it was like one of those moments. So that's the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Primer. I'm going to go ahead and pop some of this onto my skin as well. comes with this little coin scooper. I love the way this primer smells. I mean, like, I feel like a lot of Tatcha products smell very similar, but I love this. It smells so good. I do always also put primer on my neck just because I tend to blend my foundations all the way down. So, important. It's an important step for me. We're going through a heat wave in New York right now, and it's just been so hot, but like, whew, water tastes so much better than normal. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. And like I said, I've never tried this before, so I'll go ahead and show you guys in case there's any of you guys who didn't have a shade either. This is the bottle. It's that frosted foundation bottle that a lot of people use. This one's round. It's got a black top, and when you pull it open, it does have a pump, which is great. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my brand new Sapphire Beauty Blender. I'm gonna pop some of this foundation right on here. And as always, I'm gonna start in the lower area of my face and start to blend this out. I often have to get foundations, on the lash, that are darker than my face because I'm not sure if you can tell, but my face is a lot lighter than the rest of my body. It's not from like tanning or anything, it's just natural. So on the bottle it says that it is coconut water infused to aid in the delicately replenishing skin's moisture levels. It's got alpine rose to help brighten and boost the skin's radiance, and it's got hyaluronic acid for a smoother, more youthful complexion. This oil-free foundation masterfully diffuses the line between makeup and skin, coverage so undetectable and skin so naturally flawless. They'll think you were born this way. Oh, that's cute actually. So it does say that it's medium to full coverage, and I definitely agree. I'm not sure if you guys can see it on camera. You can still see a lot of my dark spots in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more, another couple pumps, just to see if we can achieve the full coverage that I normally like. Yeah, it's definitely buildable. I mean, I can still see some of my spots over here, which is okay because I'm gonna go over it with concealer. I don't know if this is the Beauty Blender that's kind of eating some of the product or if it's just the foundation. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with the coverage that we've gotten so far, so I'm going to go ahead and go on to the next step, which would be concealer. It comes in another mini bottle, just a little bit more narrow than the foundation bottle, so it's got the same look because it is the Born This Way concealer. And it says it's multi-use sculpting concealer, and on the back it just says conceal, contour, highlight, retouch, which basically means that it's basically meant for everything. Made with the same things, coconut water, alpine rose, hyaluronic acid, and it says fully loaded pigments provide maximum coverage with an undetectable finish. So basically the same thing, it is a full coverage concealer. So let's go ahead and open this up. I have the color Butterscotch. Okay, oh nice. It's got a doe foot applicator, a large one, which is amazing, which is very similar to the Tarte Shape Tape size, maybe a little bit smaller, but I like these because you can kind of cover a lot very quickly, so it's great if you're in a rush like I am today. You can always get a lot of product out of these without having to like re-dip way too much. Definitely seems full coverage. It's like not as thick as Shape Tape, but like it's not thin either. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out. It's blending out very easily. Like it's not giving me a difficult time at all. And the color is perfect. So it's not creasing, which is amazing. Because who the F wants creasy mascara? Mascara. Ugh, concealer. I'm tired. And I'm about to go to work. This is like really not creasing under my eye, which like doesn't happen ever because I have lines under my eyes. So this is like low-key freaking me out. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, do you guys see that? Nothing. Like, it's weird. Alright, Too Faced. See you. Didn't come to play, huh? Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup off camera, and then I'll be back to let you guys know my final thoughts on this foundation collab with Jackie Aina, and of course the new concealer with Too Faced. Alright you guys, so here is the finished look. I can't lie, I'm absolutely in love with it. I did finish it off with the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist, so it is a little bit more dewy than how the foundation left me, but I will say that it is a very natural finish foundation. So for those of you boys and girls out there, or ladies and gentlemen, however old you are, want a more natural finish foundation, you may absolutely love this one. If you weren't able to get a shade before and you are in the medium to darker skin shade range, definitely go back and check it out, since Jackie has gone ahead and added new shades for this foundation. As far as the concealer is concerned, I also really love the concealer. I personally may have actually gone a shade lighter than what I did, only because I love a really bright under eye. But this is also really natural, and it's got a great looking finish. So I am actually really in love with this. I'm very happy with the finished results, and I hope you guys are too. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, and I hope you guys really enjoyed yourself. I hope you guys like this look. I hope you like the foundation. Definitely go out and get it. Thank you so much to Jackie Aina for holding down us medium to dark skin girls, those of us who are melanin infused, and making sure that we have plenty of things on the market for us. So with that being said, I love you all, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my very next video. Bye guys. Whoa. That I'm just gonna keep dropping on the floor because I have these long ass talons. So it does have a very large doe foot out. And 1, 2, 3, go. Jackie, 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 Jackie. Okay, I'm done.